Hi there, we're doing this wonderful project really close to Christmas, and it's a lovely time of the year. There's so many things to paint really. We think of flowers, don't we, with watercolour painting, but actually there are so many beautiful fruits and wonderful sort of gnarly things in the garden to paint. So we're doing this wonderful contrasted quince with this lovely light on the leaf and a super soft watercolour background. It's something different to what we normally do, and it's certainly a challenging project, but it's got some lovely aspects and some nice little new techniques to pick up on. So I hope you have a go at this project. There's lots to learn on it, and although the background is a little bit scary to do, it certainly is fun. So season's greetings, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all of those, and hopefully you'll have a lovely rest, and we'll see you in the new year.